Skip the first 6 chains from the hook. Yarn over twice and insert your hook in the 7th chain under the back loop. Work 1 double crochet. You should now see 3 chains on your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook in the 2nd chain from the hook under the back loop. Work 1 half closed double crochet. Catch the yarn and draw it through 2 loops on the hook. Catch the yarn again and draw it through the next 2 loops on the hook. Catch the yarn for the 3rd time and draw it through the last 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over twice and repeat the preceding steps, inserting the hook in the next chain of the previous row. Repeat the process, chaining 2 stitches among 2 double crochet cross stitches.